Understanding acid reflux, GERD. Today, let's talk about acid reflux, heartburn, and that burning sensation in your stomach, especially after eating. Most people think it's caused by too much acid, but the truth is, it's often because there's not enough acid in your stomach. You might take antacid tablets for quick relief, but these only solve the problem temporarily. Long term, they can make things worse and even lead to serious issues like cancer. GERD, or Gastroesophageal Reflux Disease, happens when stomach acid moves up into your food pipe, esophagus, causing heartburn. Normally, your stomach uses acid to digest food and kill harmful bacteria. But when the acid flows the wrong way, it can cause discomfort and eventually lead to ulcers if not treated. In part 2, I'll share how to fix this issue and prevent long-term problems. Stay tuned.